Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to censor words in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're editing a podcast, a YouTube video, or any content that needs a beep over specific words, this quick process will help you clean up your audio professionally. Let's jump right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, you'll see several tabs at the bottom of your interface. Look for the one labeled Edit and click on it. This is where you'll spend most of your time working with your video and audio timeline, making precise edits to your project. Now comes the part where you locate the exact words you want to censor in your audio, scrub through your timeline, and listen carefully until you find the word or phrase that needs censoring. Once you've found it, position your playhead right at the beginning of that word. You'll see a razor icon in your toolbar. Click on it to make a cut at this exact point. This splits your audio clip right where you need it. Next, move your playhead to the end of the word you want to censor and click the razor icon again to make another cut. You've now isolated that specific section of audio between two cuts. With the word isolated, click on the cut clip to select it. You'll notice a link icon appears. This icon keeps your video and audio synced together. Click on the link icon to unlink the audio from the video. This is important because you only want to remove the audio, not the video portion. Once unlinked, click only on the audio portion of that cut clip. Now press backspace or delete on your keyboard to remove it entirely. This creates a gap in your audio where the censored word used to be. Now it's time to fill that gap with your censor sound, typically a beep. Drag your censored sound effect onto your timeline. You might need to adjust its width to match the length of the gap you just created. Simply click and drag the edges of the sound clip to make it fit perfectly. Then move it to the exact area where your audio was removed, ensuring it covers the entire gap smoothly. This creates that classic censored effect your audience will recognize. And that's it. You've successfully censored a word in DaVinci Resolve, giving your content a polished, broadcast-ready feel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.